Hello developers, welcome to 4Step. In this video, we are going to understand how OpenAI works using instruction and rules. Before starting the demo, let's understand two things, input and instruction. Input is what we ask AI, similar to the user rule, where instruction define how the AI should behave, similar to the system rule. So input control what to answer and instruction control how to answer. Now, let's see this in action. First, I will show you how the model responds without any instruction. Let's see. Here, I only provide input. Input is name 5 animals. Okay. So the model responds in its default value, usually a complete sentence. You can see. So right now, we are not controlling how the AI should respond. We are only asking what to respond, not how to respond. Now let's add instruction to control the output. Okay, so in the instruction we will provide the result in 10 words. Fine. Run again. Okay, send. If you see, the response is shorter and follows exactly what we instructed. Now let's see how this works with a math questions. Okay, so we'll pass 2 into 2 into 5. Now let's hit the send button. If you see, the model follows the 10 words constraint, but for this case we need a precise direct answer. Now let's update instruction. Okay, so remove those things. Okay, so give me result no other words. Let's save. Now you can see difference. Okay. Now the model gives a clean direct answer without extra word. Now that we understand instructions, let's talk about roles and how they work behind the scenes. In AI conversation, there are mainly three roles: system role, user role, and assistant role. Let's see how AI works internally. Instruction define behavior, input asks the questions, and assistant gives the response. Let's understand AI with a simple restaurant example. If you see, the user orders food, that is the input. Then the system decides how to cook. Those are the instructions. Finally, the assistant give the dish, that is the output. Now let's jump into the code. Now I will remove the instruction property. Instead of, I will pass an array of object in the input. Now we begin with the system rule because it set the behavior, right? The model then respond based on the instruction. If you don't provide system rule, it will still respond, but without any controlled behavior. So after that, we provide system content. So based on the model behaves, fine. So in the content, we'll pass you are a helpful math, your helpful math tutor. Okay. Next, we pass the user role with the actual questions. Fine. So let's create object. Okay, in that we'll pass the role and content will pass the request body message. Fine. So what will happen here? The model looks at the system instruction first and then answer the question accordingly. In the content, we'll pass request body message. Fine. So message done. Let's save it. Okay. Let's run the code. Okay, so we'll pass the message what is. Okay, so same message. Fine, let's hit the send button. Okay, so as you can see, based on the user input and system instructions, we get the final result with 20. Now let's check the assistant role in the response directly. Fine, so to check that, we remove the output text and will run directly. Okay, let's save it. Okay, let's hit the send button. Oh, wait. Okay, so we got the answer. So if you see in the output, as I mentioned earlier, the AI reply is called the assistant response. Fine. So whenever you want the final answer, you read it from here. Okay. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.